नमस्ते, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग and how's the lockdown going for you? वैसे yesterday was Earth Day and today is the reading day or a reader's day and stuff like that. Well, you must remember that the reason why I'm doing this video is because a lot of us often talk about weight loss, we talk about immunity, we talk about hair loss, we talk about what is it that we can do to improve our digestion, bloating, blah and blah. One of the things that we all can do is work at improving the diversity in our diets. The diversity in our diets is really small things. So one of the things which, one of the diversities in our diets that we have lost since the last few years is what I would like to highlight today. अनियन हम सब लोग खाते हैं, लेकिन हम कितने लोग व्हाइट अनियन खाते हैं? तो tada, I just wanted to show you what the white onion looks like. This is how white onion looks like. This is how the regular red onion looks like. And then of course there is one more in between which is like a little biggish red onion. अभी जैसे जैसे हम लोगों ने अनियन का लॉस, अनियन के डाइवर्सिटी का जैसे जैसे हमारे खाने में से लॉस होता गया. In fact, a lot of you may already be like, what is this white onion? Where can I find it? How should I eat it? And stuff. All of this was already known in our families, but is now going into lost and underutilized wisdom. In fact, there is something called as NUS, which is called as neglected and underutilized species, which are therapeutic and medicinal for us, but we kind of no longer use them because we associate poor prestige with using things like white onion and high prestige with using things like broccoli, kale, avocado and asparagus. So, आपको ये white onion कैसा use करना चाहिए? तो white onion use करने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. One of the ways of using it is using it raw. So you basically just pull out a white onion, you peel it, and you pound it like this, and then you eat it with your millet bhakri. This is one of the ways of using white onion, which is known to improve the gut bacteria diversity because it works like a prebiotic. It has resistant starch, which is good for your stomach and for your gut. Another way of using the white onion, which is my favorite way of using white onion, is to peel the white onion, not smash it or cut it, but simply use it when you're making your night ka moong dal khichdi. So for all of you who get a very peculiar bloating issue of bloating in the evenings and bloating in the night, तो आप जब सुबह उठते हो तभी you're of a small size, but by the time it's evening you're feeling biggish. This is what you need. You need a meal of khichdi, which is the moong dal and rice khichdi. And when you're roasting that moong dal and rice khichdi, simply peel the onion and put the akkha onion inside that khichdi and roast it along with the khichdi, and then you add water and let it cook. Then when you finally eat it, you have this onion which has picked up on the flavors of the khichdi. You have the khichdi which has picked up on the flavors of onion, and it melts in your mouth. So this is good for people who bloat in the evening. This is good for people who have sugar cravings. And this is good for people who are getting night sweats, So if you are the type who is feeling कि मुझे night sweats हो रहे हैं, me and my husband, we are fighting for the AC, कोई 16 पे कर रहा है, कोई 22 पे कर रहा है. So the one who's feeling very hot in the night needs to get introduced to white onion, and eating it in the form of a khichdi is a good way to beat the night sweats. So this is all that I wanted to share with you. There is one more recipe which is a typical Marathi recipe of making white onion koshambir, where you simply chop the white onion and add a little bit of green chili, you add a little bit of roasted peanut powder and salt and a pinch of sugar, and then you can eat it with your meals. Remember, lockdown ho raha hai, all of us may not have help at home, but we will still need a sabzi, and this is the easiest way of making a sabzi. It requires no cooking, and that's the kind of beautiful flavor and beautiful taste that a white onion can add to your plate. So Look this up. You'll find this in local markets. If you don't find it in your local markets, ask about it in your local markets, and I'm sure that your local vendors will respond to the demands that you are placing. When you go back to eating more diverse food, you go back to protecting the soil health, you go back to protecting your cuisine ka diversity, and you go back to protecting health in natural, sensible and inexpensive ways. Thank you very much for watching. Here's to the glory of the white onion. Remember, you should also eat it with this, okay? So there is white onion. This is just to introduce the white onion to you. It looks beautiful. Say hello to the white onion and get on with your lives. Bye bye.